Hi guys, I hope you're having a lovely day today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nori. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Today's video is all about the Ipsy GLAM bag plus for the month of October right here. This bag, I'm going to unbox it for you guys, and I'm also going to share with you guys the choices that I got to choose from for my customizable options. And I'm also going to try a few of the products. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you're new to the Ipsy world, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service. This bag used to cost $25 a month, but the price just went up to $28.99, which kind of sucks, but based on what I'm reading, shipping costs went up and everything like that, so went up about $3-4. So that's the new price. So you get 5 full-size beauty products in your bag monthly. This one you're able to customize 3 out of your 5 products, which is pretty cool, and I like to share with you guys what choices I had to choose from because they vary from month to month and also depending on your profile and how you review your products. But let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to show you guys the bag. I love the bag this month. I think it's so fitting for October. It's really nice and full. So you got this beautiful like green, bright green. The lips, like the vampire lips, I guess. Looks like there's fangs in here. The teeth look like fangs. Black lipstick. Really cute, unique. I really like this bag. And let me get the little card out. So this month for Ipsy, the theme is Pretty Wicked. I think it's really cute. Love that. Okay guys, so the very first item in my bag is one that Ipsy chose for me, and it's the Posh Powder Palette, the Duce palette. I believe that's the name of the brand, Duce. And I actually got this before. Now I have a second account for months when I get the GLAM bag X, which, you know, I will skip out on the regular GLAM bag plus. So I have a second account, so I know that they're not linked, but I got that in that account. I guess it was August. Yeah, in August I got the same little palette right here. So at first I was kind of bummed out, but I am in the middle of putting together a giveaway for you guys, so that's perfect opportunity for me to include that. So I'm gonna put the brand new one away. I'm not gonna open that one up. I'm gonna open the one that I got in August, and I actually tried this out recently and love it, so perfect opportunity to share it with you guys. This is what the packaging looks like, and here you have some blushes and some highlighters. Yeah, you have a really nice mirror. So I got this in my GLAM bag plus for August, in case you guys watched that and you know that I got it. Okay, so here's what you have. The one in the middle here does not look like a blush to me. It looks more like a bronzer, but it is supposed to be a blush, and then you have 3 highlighters on top. So I'm not wearing any blush or highlighter, so I wanted to try them out. Now for the blush, I think I'm gonna do, I feel like I'm not gonna get a lot of color from that, but I'm gonna still try it out. The one here and the one on the end here, they look really pretty, but I was actually kind of bummed and then realized, no, but you're doing a giveaway, so it's perfect opportunity to include in the giveaway, and I'm excited for that. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when I'm going to announce it. I have to get myself together, have to like organize all the makeup that I have and buy some more, because I like to include some like unique items, that not just things from subscription boxes. I like to include things that I love personally. And yeah, so just stay tuned for that. I actually got a lot of pigment. I did not expect to get as much pigment because they look so light here in the pans, and they are kind of glittery, but as you can see, it is building up, and I am not going for a super intense blush anyway, so I think it looks really pretty. But anyway, at the moment, I mentioned in another video, I am homeschooling my kids. Well, my 6-year-old, she's in 1st grade, and my 3-year-old, he's included in everything, and he loves reading and anything related to school. So that's taking up a lot of my time, which is why my uploads haven't been as consistent, but I am still gonna organize the giveaway. Don't worry, I'll get around to it. See, this blush is kind of I don't know, like, it's not bright, it's not bad. I think it's pretty, but you do have to build it up, but it does build up. If you guys hear my 3-year-old, I'm sorry. I tried to record whenever he's like not around or playing somewhere else, and I try to wait for him to be done with his excited screaming, but you might actually have to hear it a little bit in this video. Sorry about that, because he's super like excited and playing around, and it's raining outside, so yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, I'll do the best that I can with making sure that there are no screams in the background of this video. But anyway, if you guys are wondering about my eyes too, they're super intense today. I did a tutorial using a palette that I got in my BoxyCharm premium box. Is the Becky G Tres Luce palette. The Tres Luce I Am palette from Becky G, and it's such a beautiful palette. So that's what's on my eyes, and I'll have a tutorial for this look within the next few days. But anyway, the blush I actually really like. I was really kind of at first when I saw this palette thinking there's no way I'm going to be able to use these blushes. They're not for me, and they're not super glittery. Like, they look glittery in the pans, but they are more of a satin finish, and I don't feel like my cheeks look glittery. So I love that. Now the highlighters, wow, I'm so excited for them because my favorite kind of highlighter is like an icy white, and they do also have some champagne ones here, and I'm gonna go in with those two first. Look how pretty these highlighters are. So I should have started with the swatches, but here's a quick swatch. You have the highlighters right here and the blushes right here. So really pretty, and they're all buildable. But for the blushes, I really love an icy white highlighter, but you also have some champagne ones in here, which I think are so gorgeous. And I'm basically going to start off with the two champagne shades here together, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of that icy white on top. I'll do those two first. I think it's so pretty and subtle. But of course, the icy white one is going to just intensify it for me, which is what I love. Okay, a little bit of the icy white now. Maybe I went a little bit overboard. I'll tone it down with some powder in case I need to, so I can definitely go overboard. A little bit on the tip and bridge of my nose as well. I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush and just kind of tone it down a little bit because I overdid it for sure. Let me see. That's fine, whatever. I'm home, like I love it actually. So I like the formula. It feels so creamy and like very buildable. So it's light, but it builds up, and I think it's really pretty, and I love this, and I'm glad to be able to give it away to one of you guys really soon. But that was the item that Ipsy chose for me, and let's get to the next one here. The next item that they chose for me is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Staycation Hydration Mask. Now I actually love Wander Beauty's products. I've gotten lots of their products through Ipsy. I love all their products, and I'm not like huge into masks just because I never make the time for it, but this could be an amazing mask. Here it says, minimum effort, maximum results. It says, book the ultimate hydration staycation with our intensely moisturizing 3-in-1 mask, moisturizer and skin treatment. This powerful combination of peptide with ceramide helps to improve skin texture and prevent moisture loss for long-lasting hydration. So it sounds great because I have very dry skin and also some texture going on my skin, so I think that sounds like what I need. So I'm really gonna try to put this in my mind and remember to use this because it sounds awesome. Now let's get to the fun part, guys. Let's see the items that I had to choose from. So like I mentioned earlier, with Ipsy you're able to customize 3 out of your 5 products. So I'm gonna show you guys a screen of the options that I had to choose from, and then I'll let you guys know what I picked. Okay guys, so for my first customizable product, I had the option of the About Face Light Lock Lip Gloss in Paint, Jekka Black Play Pots in Gold Touch, Ultra Cosmetics Cool as a Cucumber Primer, Murad Skin Smoothing Polish, MOTD Cosmetics Gold Goddess Face Brush Set, and the Rowan Beauty Cake Mascara in Black. Really cool options. I almost chose the About Face Lip Gloss just because I really enjoy that brand, but I've gotten so many lip gloss lately, so I actually went with the Jekka Black Play Pot. I just thought it was something different. This month, Ipsy didn't offer me any palettes. I was a little upset at first because you guys know I'm obsessed with eyeshadow palettes. But then I also was like, you know, you have so many palettes, so it's fine if one month they don't offer it to you, as long as they also offer some other makeup items. And I even had the option of choosing like palettes, purchasing them myself through add-ons, and I just did not want to spend the extra money. I think that's why I chose this, because this is supposed to be like some kind of gold shimmery thing for your gold shimmery pigment for your eyes, lips, and cheeks, and I thought that would be cool to replace the palette that I didn't get. I'm not going to use it today on my eyes because you can see my eyes are done already, but I do want to swatch it. I tend to like be so obsessed with palettes, this is the packaging, that I never try like individual glitters or anything like that. I don't know why, but this, ooh, it looks so, it feels almost like slime. Let me swatch it. Where am I gonna swatch it? Right here. That's intense. That's really pretty. So it says you can use this as a highlighter, but I would not use this color as a highlighter personally, but I can see myself using that as a shadow. Yeah, why not? That's an interesting product to receive and something that I don't own in my collection, so I'm glad to have gotten that. And let's get to the next product. So for my second customizable product, I had the option of the Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo 111 Skin Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream, the Matsi Balancing Multi-Effect Cleanser, and the My Beauty Brand Brow Wax and Brush. So some good choices too. Believe it or not, I am finally getting into skincare. I always mention that I need to try, and I have slowly learned more about skincare and skincare brands through Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and I know that 111 Skin is like a very raved about brand, and the few items that I've tried from them I liked. So I chose that because I actually do for the most part almost every night do my skincare at nighttime, and I know I go through night creams kind of fast. So I chose this because I know also that it's pretty expensive. So instead of purchasing one myself, I thought, why not? Let me try the one from them, because I am kind of running low on one of my nighttime moisturizers. So 111 Skin Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. I like the packaging, really, really pretty. Very pretty color. And it says here that this ultra nourishing cream effectively targets visible signs of aging to rejuvenate the skin at night. Wake up to smooth, hydrated, and radiant skin. Sounds like what I need. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the scent is really, really light, which I like because I prefer non-scented skincare. But I feel like there's almost no scent at all. Yeah, like that's totally doable. Let me see. That's what it looks like on my skin. It feels pretty nice and moisturizing and not too thick. I think I can see myself wearing this. What really determines for me is the scent sometimes, because I don't like something super scented when I'm going to sleep. It really bothers me. I try not to let it bother me, but it does. And my husband to me is like, what's on your face? But this I actually feel like I can wear. Oh, the smell reminds me of the serum. There's a serum that we got from them. Yeah, now I smell it, but it's very, very light. It's not like super strong. But yeah, that's what I actually chose for once. I chose a skincare product, and I'm actually excited to give it a try very soon. Okay, so for my last product in my bag, I had the option of the Uve Beauty Makeup Blender Trio, Real Her Power Wear Ombre Bronzer and Bronzed, Ilamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter and OMG, and the Tokyo Milk French Kiss Perfume. I really almost chose the bronzer. I've been loving bronzers, but I also got so many bronzers recently. Got one in BoxyCharm, my premium box. I got one in Ipsy last month. And the month before that, I got one in BoxyCharm. I have a lot of bronzers, basically. So I chose the liquid highlighter. I think I have a very small version of this that I got in my Look Fantastic beauty box a couple months back. And it's such a gorgeous highlighter. And I love liquid highlighters, actually. So this is the full-size version of it. And I'm excited to own it. I wish I would have tried it today, but I also really wanted to try that palette. That's what that looks like. I'm going to find a spot to swatch it. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid highlighter that I got through Ipsy, and I am obsessed. Whenever I wear that, I feel amazing. Like, I look amazing in my opinion. So let's swatch it. See, like, it's so pretty and it's so like blinding, but it looks so natural at the same time. And I find that wearing a liquid highlighter first and then going in with a powder over top makes it so extreme and like the perfect combination in my opinion for the kind of highlighter that I like to wear, at least. So I love that. I was really happy to choose that. It's something that I know I'm going to get some use out of. And yeah, guys, that was the last product in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So overall, I am happy this month. I got the 111 Skin Nighttime Cream, this gold pigment. I also got a liquid highlighter from Ilamasqua, a hydrating mask from Wander Beauty, which I feel like I need to try and like get over it and just try it. Like, stop, you know, not trying out mask. I never make time. I feel like I could be doing the dishes and using a mask, but always a little bit of time that I need to take between doing what I gotta do and putting on the mask. Like, it might only be like 2 minutes, you know. I'm gonna try and see if I can make myself do it. And I also got the Duce palette, which I'll include in a giveaway for one of you guys. But yeah, that was my bag, and I actually really liked it. I enjoyed it. I know they also had available the Viseart Petite Un, like the 1 palette, the mini ones. You guys know I love those. I have the 2 and the 3. I didn't buy it because the color story is very similar to the other 2 that I already own, and I feel like Ipsy should have, you know, offered it to me, but I didn't want to pay extra. Maybe they'll offer it to me next month. But anyway, yeah, that was my bag this month. I actually am very happy. My glam bag should be here soon. I'm also waiting on my BoxyCharm base box, my Look Fantastic box, and another box that should be coming soon too. So stay tuned for all the unboxings this month. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye. Mwah.